These are my connections. Here we have the orange cable on VCC. We have this blue cable on S port. We have the yellow cable on SBUS out, the green cable in RSSI out, the black cable ground. So in the board, let me try to focus better. So here we have the smart port on T6, SBUS out on R6. The label is below, you can see there. T6, R6. Ground is sharing the pin with the GPS, and VCC too. Ground and VCC are sharing the pins with the GPS. Here I have the RSSI cable, and these other two pins are for GPS, SCL, SDA for GPS. These are okay. These are my connections. This is the microquad.